Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Python virtual environment inside Visual Studio Code. So let's get started. First, I'm going to create a new folder under my downloads folder. As you can see, I don't have any subfolders under my downloads folder. So I'm going to create one folder under this folder. Now if I navigate to this newly created folder, as you can see, my folder is empty. Now launch Visual Studio Code under the new folder you have created. Now I'm going to create another new folder. Now to create a new folder, click this new folder icon and name your new folder. Now navigate to this new folder using cd command. As you can see, if I check this new folder, it doesn't have anything inside. Now to create a virtual environment, as you can see, it confirmed that my virtual environment has been created successfully. As you can see, I have two files here, activate.bat file or activate.ps1 file. So if you use the ps1 file, you need to use your PowerShell. If you use your cmd command line, then you need to use this bat file. So to activate virtual environment, right-click on it and select the copy relative path and paste it here. Now my environment is activated. Now to run scripts, I can create another folder under my scripts folder. Now I can run any program here. This is how you can create a new virtual environment inside the Visual Studio Code editor. Thank you for watching.